undertones of beetroot pair well with the acidity of pickling. But this certainly isn't the only way to enjoy these versatile veggies. Both the roots and the leaves have a variety of different applications and are loaded with nutrients. Rich in fiber, folate, and antioxidants, beetroots offer some protection against certain types of cancer and heart disease. Like other leafy greens, beet greens are great sources of vitamins and minerals like vitamin A and calcium. Beet roots will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Beet greens can begin to wilt pretty quickly, so use them first, or rinse gently under cool running water and store in a plastic bag wrapped in a dry paper towel in the refrigerator to absorb any excess moisture. Once the beet greens are washed, they're ready to eat. You can use them raw as a salad base or saute them to taste. Check out the video linked down below by our FCS agent, Vincent Webb. He'll walk you through a delicious sauteed beet greens recipe. When you're ready to prepare the beet roots, rinse well under running water. Use a produce brush to remove any stubborn dirt or debris. Like the greens, the roots can be eaten raw or roasted, sauteed, or steamed to taste. For today's recipe, roasted beet hummus, I'll need the beets roasted.
Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Wrap the washed and trimmed beet roots loosely in aluminum foil to create a roasting packet. If your beets are mostly dry, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to the packet before closing. Roast at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes or until they're easily pierced with a fork. Then allow them to cool. The skin of a properly roasted beet should come off pretty easily. Remove the skin from all the beets and chop if needed. To a blender, add your chickpeas, beets, olive oil, lemon juice, seasonings, and blend until smooth.
Once blended, the roasted beet hummus serves as a dip for your favorite veggies, a low-fat sandwich spread, or your new favorite salad dressing. Just add a little water if you like your dressings a little thinner. Let me know how you like to enjoy beets. If you'd like to learn more about FNET, please contact your local extension center. Until next time.